Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look on the gold market. So actually here we have the same performance on the euro. Partially we already discussed what really has happened recently. So this is, as you understand, not the question of the technical reasons, and definitely it's not because of the patterns that we've got here. So actually behind of this action stands really big fundamental background, consists of two parts. The first is announcement of the big tax cut that has been already accepted by the Congress, the bill that Donald Trump has put on voting, and actually investors worry that that will lead to the rising of the budget deficit and drop in the income because of the drop of the gathering of the taxes. Second is that Mr. Besant said recently that they really stand at the eve of the resolving problem of the debt sale in the United States, and he said that approximately it seems that in 2 coming years this problem will not disturb anymore the minds of the investors. So this also lead to some suggestion that, well, this will take half the limits for 2 years and probably will start printing a lot of money. So all these factors really strongly inflationary for the United States dollar and in general negative for dollar. And since it has no big response on the stock market yet, so gold market currently is relatively free, so investors do not need more cash to close positions and add margins. Gold just plays out the positive news for this market, and you could see the action that stands in place. At first glance, everything goes just great, so our trading stop has been completed, works perfect, but the big problem is what we're gonna do next, because take a look at the high time frames in weekly and monthly chart, market stands overextended, and it stands at the levels that haven't seen before, and this also makes some psychological pressure on investors' minds. Currently, it seems that we will have to recall our tactic that we usually use when the market stands at overbought area on a high time frame. The tactics suggest that taking the position and out near the previous extreme points. So, for instance, if you see that gold market stands at overbought, you're not holding positions above the previous top. So you could buy at the conditions when the market stands at overbought with the minor retracements, but you have to out and nearer the top that have been formed. So this simple but very effective tactics. We're dealing with the markets that are overextended. It's not only for gold market, you could use it in any market that you like. So meantime, if we take a look at the lower time frame, it's an extreme overbought here on the daily. This is obviously, as I said, it can't be just by some technical reasons. It's obviously fundamental background behind it. So on the 4 time frame chart, upper direction, we could set near standing targets. First one already is done, it's 32.25. Next one will be 33. So these two targets that we have, and so we'll be watching for maybe on the next week. Here's this double repo, but it worked really great, but as you understand, the reason is not actually with the double repo. This is absolutely different reasons. So on the weekly chart, I will show you in the weekend, or you could just watch by yourself. This week we could get the bullish reversal week. This is also big challenge for gold market right now, and it's really a serious intention to keep going higher and suggest strong bullish sentiment in the market. On the hourly chart, the one thing that you could consider also very similar to the euro currency, we have great thrust. I do not know what will happen on the top, whether investors start booking some results or not. but we could keep an eye on a possible double repo sell pattern. At least the half of the pattern already stands in place. Close below the 3x3, close above and creating the new top. If market will drop here, showing close below, that will be potential double repo sell pattern. It suggests possible retracement. I'm not calling you to trade it short, because currently, as you understand, it's not really good idea and it's not really suitable for everybody. Psychologically, it is a bit difficult to go against the strong bullish momentum. It's not forbidden. If you would like to, you could trade this pattern when we will get it, when it will be in place. But our major task here and major aim is to just catch this possible pullback. So once double repo, if it will start working, or maybe some different pattern will be formed on the euro currency, it might be hand shorts as well. If anything will be formed here and showing the pullback, we will try to use this dip to buy. And according to our strategies that I mentioned, we will out in the previous stop. So that's approximately the things that we intend to deal with on the next week. For today, obviously, it's not a good idea to buy right here. It was really a great week with this, with the patterns that we were considering. Its results has actually overcome all our extensions, all our expectations. Sorry. So it was nice results for the week, and currently I don't see reasons to take unreasonable risk on Friday before the weekend right on the top. So obviously we do not want to buy. For taking the short positions, it's too early because we do not have any confirmed bearish patterns yet, even on intraday charts. So that's why let's keep watching and see what will happen, because Donald Trump actually could bring more tricks for the weekend, and we could see something really absolutely new on the beginning of the next one.